So, anyone please let me know. Can you see my screen?
Yes, Rohit,
Oh,
we can see.
okay. Thank you. So again, welcome to Salesforce User Group Chanpur, India. And today we have a special guest, Sivangi Thakur, and she is having this integration, WhatsApp integration with Meta and Salesforce. And I have some housekeeping rules, so please mute your mic and keep adding question in chat window, and then question will be answered in the last 10 minutes of this session. And after this session, I have special games, and I will provide you my free Udemy course voucher, and it's lucky draw, but I will provide most of the attendees as a free voucher of my courses. Right. So over to you, Sivangi. Let me stop my sharing.
Okay, hi everyone. So, firstly, I'm start with my introduction. Hi, I'm Shivangi. I'm working as a Salesforce developer, and I have an experience of 2 years in Salesforce development, and as well as in Python, PHP, data mining, and have an expertise in integration with Salesforce. So, let's start with the integration with WhatsApp. So, let me share my screen. So, my screen is visible.
Yes, Sivangi.
Okay. So start with like today's agenda we covered. So first is introduction, WhatsApp API, Cloud API. So like what is Cloud API? And second is setting up WhatsApp Cloud API. And third is configure templates in WhatsApp. And fourth is WhatsApp API Postman doc with the testing purpose. And fifth is sending messages. And last one is receive message, WhatsApp message. We're using webhook in Salesforce. So let's start with introduction part, like what is Cloud API. So send and receive messages using a cloud hosted version of the WhatsApp business platform. So like is in WhatsApp, the WhatsApp business API allow medium or large business to communicate with their customers and scale using the APIs, and Meta will provide you an API doc in Postman, and also you can integrate the API with the backend system and CRM marketing platforms. So easily we can, and every business looking for use to API have two hosting options. And next one is the cloud API. You to implement WhatsApp business APIs without the cost of hosting of your own server, and also allow you to more easily scale your business messaging. So isn't the WhatsApp Meta, we have provide 1,000 messages free, and we have is in like testing app, we have two phone number from number, and also we can scale all the business messaging, like how many messages we send, how many messages we receive. So next one is additionally you can integrate the API with backend system such as CRM and marketing platform. So easily we can like we will integrate with Salesforce and whatever CRM you need, like CRM, AWS, whatever. And next one is every business need to create its own app in order to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So next one is WhatsApp Cloud API offers, like what Meta is providing us. So first is start for free 1,000 session messages, and also we will receive all the messages in Meta, and also we will go with like production live server and template message support, single SMS send support, add two from number in one business account. Like we have in one business account and we need to add another app for us, so we can easily add, like we have two users for adding, like for adding our business one business account, so we need to easily create two users freely available, and we have 1,000 session messages. And next is setting up WhatsApp Cloud API. So all our steps here. First is register Meta developer account, then create app on Meta developer account, and third is configure webhook, And fourth one is add your test phone number. So next is register as meta developer. So let's start with like link, like for practical part. So just copy this link and open with your favorite browser, whatever you need. So this one. Actually, I have already logged in. So we just try with incognito. Like you are new, so we will try with incognito. You will redirect this page and you just click on login button for logged in your Facebook account. So firstly, you will need to add your Facebook credentials and just click on login. So I'm already logged in. So you will, after logged in, you redirect this page and just click on my apps. After that, you have received like that one page, like my username and whatever we have, like we have meta developer doc. We can also see all the docs here. We can check I like app integration, business messaging, videos, marketing and commerce, gaming, whatever you need. And we need to authenticate that. And just we need, I have already created two apps, but for testing purpose we need to create an app. And we need to select an app type, like we have an business app type, consumer app type, and instant game, whatever you need. So just click on business and just click on next. And you need to add your app name. So like app name uniquely your business app name, like business name. And here you can add your email id. And if you have any business account, Facebook business account, you can select from here. So just click on create app. And then you need to add your Facebook credentials and just click on. So our app will automatically create it. And from here we received an app id and app mode. Like if you need to add some production, like development part, live server, so we need to just like access permissions, you need to go with access like live production. And from here we are accessing like some dashboard products. We have app events, audience network, and graph apis, like marketing api, web payment. So we will start with WhatsApp. So just click on setup button. Then you just redirect with the setup of WhatsApp. And then in this we have received a access token, temporary access token. And send and receive messages, we have different steps. So firstly you will need to select your phone number. Like we is in the test business account, always we have received a test number. And then the phone number id, like this from number id. And our business account id, like what we have a business account id. And for testing purpose we need to always five number for testing purpose, always. But if you need to change your WhatsApp number, like any messages you can send, so for this you need to add a phone number. Whenever you will add your phone number, that will automatically showing here. And you just select your from number and just open that, send any SMS. So I'm trying to send a message. Firstly, I'll need to add phone number. Let- and then click on next. So on your WhatsApp, you have received a message. So just copy that and then click on next. So for testing purpose, we just need to click on send. So we have an endpoint URL. So is in endpoint URL, we have graph.facebook.com, and this one is the version, and next one is the your phone number ID, and this one is the instance, and this one is the authentication barrett token, and we have some content type headers, and it's in JSON body, and just click on send message. So message like hello, this one is the template part. So from for testing purpose, we have default templates Meta will provide. So for this, from here we can create any template. Like Meta will provide some default templates already created, but if you need to check like any other template, like you need to create an template, so just click on transactional, your template name, like it's in demo template, and then you need to select your language, like whatever you have, and just click on continue. After that, you just need a template body, welcome, and then if you need to add some header, so you can check with preview, like if you need to add some header like text, media, whatever you need, so we can easily add here, and just click on submit. So that template will automatically send to the Meta team. Firstly, Meta team, that status is in review, like we have a demo template. So firstly, Meta team will review and approve that. Is in 24 hours, Meta team will approve this. And then for testing part, we just test with Postman. Like we have Meta will provide a Postman doc, so we can check here. Like this one is the Postman doc. Whenever you will click on run in Postman, so that page will automatically occur, and you just add your workspace and your environment according to you, and then just click on fog collection, and that page will automatically open, and is in like the example section. You just need to check with the Postman doc. So from here we need to add your endpoint URL, same as like we have uh, this endpoint URL. We just copy that and paste it at, and we have an authorization bearer token. Copy that from here. We can easily copy here, and we need to add your bearer token, and just normally we have a default template like sample shipping confirmation. So firstly we will check we have or not. So we have Indonesian, English, US, Spanish, Portuguese, and English also. So we need to check with US. So we need to always add, always remember, whenever you will add your code like English, so we need to use en, and if you use English US, so just need to add your English US, en US. And we have a template name, like we have some parameters in this, so always need to import that thing. And we can also add your text body, like if you need to send a welcome template to the candidate or receiver, so we can easily add your name here, and we can provide like with welcome template with contact name in Salesforce. So just click on send button with template message. So we have received a template message, your package has been shipped. So this one is the default template. And if you need to send a text message, only a text message, so you have always focus on that thing. If the receiver side will send you a message, like whenever you send a message, template message, so whenever the receiver send a message, then we will send an normal text body. And then whenever we will send a message, just click on send and just test this. So we have received a template body easily. and go with like Apex class. We have different APIs doc. So you need to check everything. Like we have message option with the text body, and text messages, text with preview URL, whatever you need to check all the things. But for now, we just check with template and without template. And also for this, we have some docs and webhooks. So firstly, we will start with the Apex class for sending in message. So we have a class. So for this API tokens, we have creating a custom setting, like name is WhatsApp, and we already store all the tokens, endpoint URLs, and methods in our custom setting. We can access from here. So this we need to check with send with template. So firstly, always we need to send a template, because we don't send any text body without receiver's message. So just check with this method. So just open my anonymous window and then check send message with template. So we just need to provide your WhatsApp number. We have this number. We don't need to add plus sign. So always remember, whenever you will add your plus sign, that will showing an error. And your template name. So we have a default template. Sample shipping confirmation. So we just need to add here. And we have some template body, and we can also give a contact name like Shivangi, and then just click execute. Okay, so we have received a message, template message with Shivangi name, that will automatically here. So in this request body, we have an parameter like text in Postman, but it is an Apex class. We will provide an contact name in this parameter. So I have already bind all the variables or parameter. So is in template body, we have received an name, and we will start with like without template. So I have this method for without template. So in this we have three parameters like WhatsApp number, normal SMS body, and string template. Like if you need to have, like we need to add some parameters in our LWC component. So if template equals null value, so we just execute this method. So then for this we just need to try with send WhatsApp request. So just click, and then so we need to provide your WhatsApp number, same as, and then copy that, and your SMS body, e demo class, then your template always null, and then just click on execute. So we have received in body he demo class easily. And for receiving message purpose, so we just go with our slide. So we have covered this step for creating an app, and then we already create an app, and we
Hello, Shivangi. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, Rohit.
Yes.
Okay,
So
maybe.
can easily,
Okay, okay. Go ahead, please. Yeah.
sorry, sorry, I have technical issues. Sorry.
So, guys, wait for some time. Maybe it's a network issue here. So, see, will we join after 1 minute?
Sorry, guys, I have technical issues, so that's why.
Yeah, yeah. No worries. Go ahead, please.
Okay. So let's start with the like basic. We have already covered all the topics for creating an app, information about our business, and phone already app, and we have already created business testing app, and we have received some token and endpoint URLs and phone number ID, whatever we have, and endpoint URL. So let's start with and we have already covered with configuration template in WhatsApp. So let's start with the remote site setting. Like if you need to allow your allow your endpoint URL in another web service, so you need to always create a remote site setting. So in order to allow callouts to the graph API, we need to add this URL to the remote site setting in Salesforce. So we can easily add in our Salesforce. So I have already created an remote site setting, and then we just need to add. So we have received and we have already created in remote site setting. So you just always need to have you'll need to always create a remote site setting for allow this call out URL. So the next slide is for using Apex REST call out class send message. So we have already covered with template and without template methods for sending an SMS with template and without SMS body. So focus point is that all time you need to send first your template, and if candidate or receiver will send you a message, after that we will send you an own custom message. And the next step is to receive message functionality using webhook. So like the first question is, what is webhook? So webhook is an effective or efficient way to connect your Salesforce or to a third party platform. Like if you need to access all the response from the another third party platform, so we need to add an webhook URL. So for this, we just need to create a community site in Salesforce. And second is create a class REST callout class in with instance. So we just check with our community site. So I have already created a site with Aura framework. So we have an URL, community site URL, and then just copy that. And always remember, you just need to add services and Apex REST and your class instance. Like if you have an webhook and we have this one instance WhatsApp, so we need to put here and then check we don't receive any error. So our webhook URL is correct, and then just copy that. And you need to add in configuration part always. Just click on edit and copy this, paste this, and is in our class we have an verified token. So for HTTP GET, you like webhook send an request to access this token and copy that and let's verify and save. So that is automatically saved. And we need to access like webhook fields. So I have already subscribed all the things. So for this, you need to subscribe from here, and you can also test webhook fields. Like if you received any response from that web service in your CRM, so we can easily add. So so this one is the class for REST API callout, and then copy URL for community. So for this, we have already covered all the points. And for communicating like communicating with Salesforce org, so we have received an like whenever you received any response body, so you just put your response all body, is in any field. So this one is the receiving part. So thank you. So any questions in this?
Yeah, hello guys. If you have any query question regarding this session, so you can ask her.
Hi, Shivangi.
Yes.
You mentioned about the webhook field subscription. So any it is free or we need to purchase something related to
We
web?
don't need to any purchase part. We always need to freely, like Meta is providing freely available 1,000 messages. So for first time that is free, and after 1,000 messages we just need to paid version.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Any more question, guys?
Yeah, hi
Yeah,
Rohit.
hello.
Hello.
One by one, please. Yeah.
Okay, Rohit. Actually, if we use name credential instead of remote start setting, then it is mandated to remote start setting.
Yes, we need to create an remote site setting for allow the web service URL, because whenever we will receive an response in Salesforce, so we need to create an allowance for using remote site setting.
No, no. If we use name credential, suppose name credential is already present in the Salesforce org.
Naming credential, sorry, I'm not getting your point.
Name credential, like if client already give to the name credential, like if they don't need to share the client ID and client secret.
Okay, but for this, for sending messages, we don't need to create any name credentials, because that is not a part of Meta. So we need to allow this URL for always need to create a remote site setting. Or if you don't need to create any setting, so you have received an error, like error status code, whatever you have.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Yes, sure.
Hi, Sangi.
Yeah, hi.
This is Inkar here. Like my question is, can we send the PDF and images also?
Yes, we can, but you need to check all the doc files. Like if you need to add an attachment or send a message with attachment, so
Mhm.
go with your, like we have received in Meta doc, right? In Postman, so we will send an attachment easily using
Oh,
request body.
okay. So how it will go, like base 64 URL?
Sorry.
So it will be in base 64, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Any other question, guys? Otherwise, we can go for games. Okay, I think no. Okay, so now one more question from Abhishek side. We can create custom metadata uh,
Yes,
instead
we
of
can.
custom setting, right?
Yes, we can.
Yes. Yeah, Abhishek, we can. Okay, let me share my screen. So this game name is Wheels of the Names. So based on the names, I will provide my Udemy course voucher. It's a free. Okay, no need worry about to purchase my course. So I will provide you free of course. Okay. So now here, can you see my screen?
Yes, Rohit.
Okay, so we have almost 127 entries. So based on these entries, I spin this wheel, and maybe it's a lucky draw. So based on your name, I will provide that Udemy course voucher here. So let me spin this one. Let's see. So Yasin, are you there? If not, so I can try it on next way. Okay, Yashin, are you there? Okay, maybe no. Let me remove it. Let's try again. Huma, maybe not there. Okay, let me remove it. Let's see next. Shraddha? No. Let's see next. Jimson? Okay, let's see next. Suguru?
I think we have 17 only, so this might take some time.
Okay, okay. So let me do that quickly. This one. Okay. Asis? If yes, so you can share your mail ID here in the chat box. If no, don't worry. Yuvraj, I think. Yeah. Yuvraj? Amol? Mamta. Rohit. Okay, let's see next. Ronika. Ayushi. Okay, no worry. I will provide my free voucher to you all. Okay. So let me close this session here because it's almost 1:16, and I will provide you my free of course in Udemy, so you can watch this course because it's very most important for us if you are working as a Salesforce developer or LWC developer. So I have lots of sort and trick and increase your productivity within a single click. So no need worry about you have to manual typing each and everything. So let's say system.debug or any kind of template in LWC. So just you have to write only 2-3 words and it's automatic create your template and you can use anywhere as you want. Okay, so let me check the name here, attendees, then I will share this one. Give me a second, guys. And also one more question to you guys. You can share your mail ID in chat box so I can easily copy from here and you can take this course. Please share your mail IDs in chat box. I will wait for 1 minute and after that we will close this session.
So Rohit, today's session will be available on Salesforce Hunt, right?
Yep.
Oh,
Maybe this recording will be available after 2 or 3 days because it's taking some time.
oh,
Right.
okay.
Yep.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. Okay, I got 26 email IDs. Okay, so thank you everyone. And one more things, if you want to present your knowledge in front of this community, so you can present your knowledge and most welcome. So if anyone want to speak as a speaker in this community, so well and good. So you can reach out to me for the same. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Rohit. Thank
Thank
you,
you, ma'am.
Shivangi.
Thank you.
Rohit.
Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you. Bye.
Thank you.